Good morning, my name is Ben. Welcome to the micro soldering show. Hello. Yeah, today we do some normal repairs together, and I just want to have a look what we got here. It's no charge, it's no signal. And here we got an iPhone 8 with no boot. So let's have a look what we see here. Okay, we got about 500 milliamps of current flow here. Could be much more interesting than just a TriStar or just a VCC. Today I really have to hurry up with the repairs, because Andy is at holiday and David and me, we are alone at here. It's about 8 o'clock, David arrives about 9 o'clock today, so I'm alone here. So, what's that? What's that? What's that? Let's have a look. Let's have a look what they write. Okay, they write it just don't boot. Just doesn't boot at all, and a lot of shit is missing here. So let's have a look what we got here. We take our high power, plug in the battery FPC. And oh, looks like a boot but no image. Okay, so let's see what we got here. Didn't we write anything? Okay. No. Let's have a look. Oh, what's that, man? Man, what's that? Do you see that? Looks like a filter. Filter is okay, but man, it looks so ugly. So let's just test another screen. Just an iPhone 8 screen for test. Okay. Hook up the battery FPC and let's boot. Hello, let's boot. Just get the connector right connected and then try to boot. Okay, it looks like it boots, but we still got no image. Okay, not bad at all. What about the small parts here? Okay, the MOSFETs. But do you see that? I think that's the problem. It's just a bad connection for the filter, Ah, okay, I showed to you under the microscope, so you don't see anything. Okay, you see that? That filter is loose, okay? Here we got it. Take it away. So I think the problem is only this filter. I don't have to look at ZXW at the moment, because I know that's filter for image. But let me have a look if really this is the problem. I think yes. Okay, let's clean. Would be really a short video about just a short, fast and easy problem. You see that? Here we are. I think we should use a new filter. Okay, that looks great. Just a little bit of flux. And then just get the filter hooked up. Okay. Hey man, come on. See, my chip isn't the best anymore at all. Okay. Just need to clean. Okay, and now we have a look if we got an image again. So I hook up the battery and get it on the charger. Oh, and you see we got image again. Just a loose filter. It was sitting, and if you had a look from the top, you didn't see that it's not connected. When you measured, it was okay. Yeah, it beeped. It was okay. Filter beeped, but I think the connection to the bottom was not correctly. So we got a problem with that. So that's a screen from us to test only. So let's get it out and get out the original screen. It comes from another repair shop. As you see, they tried already something to do. Not our way to work, but when they want to work in that way, it's okay for them. I think it's not good for the customer if you work on devices like this. But okay, you see the screen. It's not our problem. The rest can be fixed by the repair shop if they want to do. We just fixed the no image problem. Just a filter. Just a small little video for the start of the day. Okay, we get haptical feedback for the home button. Just wait until we... Okay, but we got no touch. Okay, let's have a look. Let's have a look if we got touch when I disconnect the home button. That's the next thing. Because sometimes, and I think in this case, this could be the problem. In some cases, repair shops use copy quality. So they get a screen, like this iPhone 8 screen, and you see the touch works. When I disconnect, that's really an amazing thing. When I disconnect the home button, the touch is fully working. Okay, we got image again, I fixed that. But if we connect the home button works, but we got no touch. And the problem is, they used a cheap copy screen, and the backlight of the copy screen is one out of the iPhone 7. And this connector is one out of the iPhone 7. And it's just a little bit bigger than the backlight, than this FPC for the home button on the iPhone 8. And for that, we get a problem here. Okay, so you can one time replace this connector, or now look at me, what I tell you. I don't know if somebody already told this. I don't think so. Just get them off a little bit here. Okay, just take them a little bit out at the sides. Okay. Okay. Carefully, otherwise you have to replace the whole connector. Okay, you see this? It's really a big hint, a big solution. And it's nice that we got a second problem within this video. You see that? I just took them out a little bit. Now I take another screen, an original iPhone 8 screen, okay? Original Apple screen out of another device. See, here is the Apple, just a broken screen out of another device. Now we put on the home button FPC. We put on the screen, we put on the battery, and we start the device. And now we should have touch again. So that's really a big hint, a big solution I give you here within this video. I found this out about a month ago, and now you see, touch is back again. Okay, only by get these two, I don't know in English like you saw, just get it out and then you got touch again. Now I don't use anymore this screen, because when I plug in this screen, this home button FPC, directly we have no touch again. So I tell to the repair shop that they have to change the screen, and then they will have no problems anymore at all. Okay, that's a big hint, a big solution. I hope you enjoyed the video. It was not a big thing, but sometimes we got some more easy videos. So check it out, basic repairs on Germany channel. We make the videos for all of the repair shops out in this world and all the micro solderers. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to learn things like this, you can come to the Bottle Repair School Germany, and you are welcome in our Facebook group, Smartphone Repair Group Germany, if you are a seller of goods for the smartphone industry, repair technician or owner of a repair shop. I'm out. We see us with the next video. Yours, Ben.